let me show you everything you get with this light. There's not much to it here, but you get the pouch itself, a USB-C cable, which I have 10,000 of those, and here's the light. And this light has motion sensor on it. I always like my motion sensor lights. And then you look at the bottom, there's where the charging is, right through the bottom. It's slightly water resistant. Indicator on the side on how much percentage. None of the dots, those dots get on my nerves. I wish all companies would go to like percentage on there. So one press, you get the spotlight. 2 presses is a low spotlight. 3rd press is this high outside beam. 4 is a low outside beam, and 5 is all of them. I definitely like that. 6 is the night vision beam, which is basically for the red. And then there's a red flashing, and I think that's it. And then if you want to hit the on and off right there, see how I can do that? So watch this. That's very handy. The sensor is right there. Super responsive on that. So if it's on, I can just wave my hand up and now it's off. Wave it up again and it's on. Turn that off and see how I can go through all the motions, whatever one. You're basically going to go through the same motions, but on the opposite side, which will be this little symbol here, and that gives you the motion sensor on that. And it's got adjustments right here for all types of head, whether you want to go around a helmet or something like that. And it adjusts up and down. Always get a light that does that, because if they go straight ahead, you're having to bend your head down all the time. If you go like that, now you can walk and see where you're going. So yeah, this is something I'm going to have in my bag at all times while I'm hiking, kayaking, or doing anything like that. Turn that off. There we go. Turn that off. There we see. You have to cycle through all of them, get that to go off. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the little LED headlamps. See you all next video.